Hi, I have pretty extraordinary news today. This is a very encouraging information. It's about the trees. Some time ago I posted about our trees being eaten by mice, and it was pretty sad for us, because my wife started these trees out of seed, and they were growing very nicely, and then last spring mice or something, some rodents came and chewed off the bark out of the trunks of these little trees. And they were about maybe this tall, about 1 foot tall, and they got totally damaged. And I was told they wouldn't survive. And it was discouraging, mostly for me personally, because I just posted about God protecting us, protecting our crops if we tithe. It says in the Malachi that God will rebuke the devourer, which is pests, rodents, and anything else eating our crops, destroying the produce of our land. And God promises, I will take care of it. I will rebuke the devourer. And right after I posted the message, our trees got devoured. So I wasn't even sure if I should post the message, because it was discouraging, and people would be thinking God doesn't really protect the crops, and God is not really in charge of that, and what's the point of tithing, and what's the point of trusting God, first of all, if your crops are going to get eaten by mice anyways. But God restores, and He's faithful. God is faithful to His promises, and although it looked like the trees will never grow back, they have grown back, and they are beautiful. Let me show you. These are the trees. These are the trees that were damaged. So this is one of them. This is the trunk here. It's wrapped in foil now because we want to avoid this situation and do our part. But the trunks are nice. The height is about up to my waist. The other one is just huge. It spreads a little more. It's wrapped more tightly now, but these trunks they just grew back. They just grew back because God promises, God is faithful, and on the physical side, because the root was there. So that's the importance of good roots. And Jesus is the root of David. We have Jesus in us. Even if a Christian is broken, things will grow back, things will be restored. And these trees, there were like 3 or 4, I can't remember which ones. I think all of them were damaged. I can't remember now. And now look at them now. This one is up to my chest, and it's a good size. This one is still, you can see some damage on the. Come on, I'm recording. You can still see some damage on the trunk, but it's pretty good. It's pretty good, and they grew back. Praise the Lord. So this is the message, that although things look damaged, if we trust the Lord, He restores. Praise the Lord.